Yeah, no, we can get that out for you today. Yep, you're welcome. No, thank you. Take care. I just got off the phone with a customer who's going to use our exchange service. Now, she's after a servo amplifier, so up front she'll pay full price for the remanufactured unit, and then she's going to send us her old one. And if the valuation is good, we'll give her core credit. Now, the amplifier she selected is already fully remanufactured, so we can pull it from our ready-to-ship inventory. Now we have the item, we'll take over the shipping department. It's ready to go, Brad.
Hey, thanks, Dan.
Once she receives her amplifier, she can send her old amplifier back to us in the same box along with the exchange slip. It's as easy as that.